Types of IT jobs. The jobs in the new IT are varied, but they fit in certain categories. Together, these roles address everything from research and development to cybersecurity. Have a look at the breadth of jobs in the new IT and how interrelated they are and how easily they all can work together in the field of IT. Help desk technician, also called IT help desk or tech support. This role provides help to users who are using the company's products. These are the people who you call when your computer doesn't start or when your favorite program has an unexpected error. This is the most entry-level IT job out there, and if you can carry a phone conversation and are willing to learn the company's products, you have a great chance of getting hired. From here, it's easy and very common to climb the ladder to other IT positions based on your interests. Research and development. These jobs are for qualified professionals such as engineers or scientists. In this role, you would come up with ideas for new products or processes for your company. IT auditor. IT auditors help companies comply with laws and regulations. It's harder than it sounds. IT auditors must understand systems, databases, and encryption. These are not usually entry-level jobs, although a company might offer training to someone with little experience because these roles are new and there are not enough qualified applicants available. Networking and security. A network engineer is responsible for managing the hardware and software that keep your company running. This could be an entry-level job if you work at a very small company where the equipment comprises a few computers only, and you learn to fix problems and install software, and then work your way up from there. However, bigger companies will hire people with college degrees, certifications, and experience for these jobs. Certifications in networking and cybersecurity are available. However, they are expensive even though they are very valuable in getting a job. Data management. Data management is one of the fastest growing areas in the new IT. Data is a very valuable commodity and everyone wants to collect it and use it. Database administrator, data analyst, big data developer, these are all data-related jobs. If you could start small in an entry-level position, if you learn to manage a database server such as MySQL or Microsoft SQL Server. This is a projected growth area and is highly recommended for a secure, long-term career in IT. Several certifications are also available, and the price range is quite large. UX Developer Designer. User experience, also known as UX, experts make sure that clients or customers can use the software your company is designing. Job types related to the user experience are user interface, UI designer, content strategist, and UX developers who write code behind the UI. For those designing, an artistic inclination is necessary. Many times, they create their own drawings and color combinations. If you're interested in this type of job, you will need to learn tools to design your website. You can start small by creating websites for you and others. Content manager. Content managers manage the information their company is making public on its website. They will decide how the website is organized, what article goes where, and how to best communicate the company's message. Writers, librarians, journalists, editors, and people with communication experience might do well in this role. Business analyst. A business analyst understands and documents business processes. They are the liaison between the management of the company making business decisions and the IT teams that will implement new technology based on the company's business needs. A business analyst's role is a great place to start in IT. It takes people's skills and curiosity and ability to write clearly. Software developer. Software developers are also called programmers or coders. They write code for the computers so that users can use them. There are many ways to get an entry-level job as a developer. You have to learn a coding language by yourself and create a few interesting projects to show off your skills. Tester. Testers, or quality assurance, quality control roles, make sure the company's products do not have defects. In IT, they work as part of the development team to make sure the code written by programmers works correctly and does not have any bugs or errors. These roles could also be entry-level, and a common path is for someone from help desk to become a QA tester because they are familiar with the product already. Project manager. A project manager is responsible for an entire IT project and needs to understand all aspects of it. It is usually a senior position. However, there is often a need in companies for assistant or junior PMs, so these could be your entry point if this is your area of interest. Scrum Master. Scrum Master is a new role in IT, and it grew exponentially in the last years as the Agile methodology took hold. For large projects, a Scrum Master must have some project management experience in order to be successful. However, for smaller projects or smaller companies, the Scrum Master role can be learned, even if you are a beginner. To recap, let's look again at how these types of jobs interact with each other. The squiggly lines represent possible pathways between different types of jobs. It is common that folks start with one entry-level position, then grow and move around to learn new skills and try other directions. Lots of business analysts used to be help desk or developers. Lots of testers used to be help desk. And of course, a project manager usually helps some other type of job as a team member first, maybe as a developer or business analyst.